Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to merge clips in CapCut. To merge clips in CapCut, simply firstly you need to open the CapCut app, and what you need to do is once you open the CapCut you need to go to this import in the left hand side, and from here you need to select all the video clips that you want to combine. So what you need to do is simply double press on it and again select import in the top left and again press on it, any of the clips that you prefer. So after that, what you need to do is the clips will appear over here. Simply double press on it and put it on the timeline in the bottom. So from here, to change the order, you can also press and hold a clip and you can slide it beside it. And you can trim or edit each clip if needed. And after you're done, you can simply export it in the top right. And that is it. This is how you can merge clips in CapCut. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.